Okay, I wanted to go ahead and show you what we're going to do for week 22 for the mineral testing. Week 21, the students learned vocabulary and how to test the minerals, and now we're going to follow a flow chart and they're going to figure out what minerals are which. This is the flow chart that we'll be using. I got it off of Half 100 Acre Wood. She has a lesson plan for this, and so this was part of it. And so I'm following this, and we're using the Toy Smith Mineral Science Kit found on Amazon. And then this is the identification chart to help us if we get stuck. So I went ahead, we'll lay out the flow chart on a long table at Community. And this flow chart that we laid out here follows this exactly. And so what we'll do is we'll have the Lester test, and I went ahead and grouped these, but we can have the kids do that as well. So we have our metallic minerals right here, and you can see that the metallic ones we take up to the streak test. So you just take all these and move them up here. And then I will have the streak plates here for them to test. And so they'll test each one of these. They'll test the red and brown one. And if it's red or brown, it goes way over here onto that tag. You just follow the line. And then this one here, it would test black. So you would move it over here to the magnetic. And then this one here, would move over here to the magnetic as well because it was black. And then you would test these. This one is magnetic, so it goes over here. This one is not magnetic, so it goes over there. And then we would come back and we would do our glassy minerals. And so all these ones would go up to hardness. And then we will have the scratch plates there for them to test. And if it scratches the glass, then it goes all the way over here, follows this line to right there, and then scratches penny but not glass, which would be this one here. And then this one goes over here. And then the rest of them don't scratch a penny or glass. So you would take these and you'd move them to transparency. Which one of these is opaque? It happens to be this one right here, and we'll have a flashlight here so that they can test the transparencies. Obviously they will take a little bit longer as they're testing them, but this video is just to show you what to do. So you would move that over there, and then the rest of these would be translucent to transparent, and so they would go over here. And then we have color and colorless. So we would have this one right here is colorless, and so it's going to come over here. These ones have color, so it's going to go over to cleavage. And then we can look at this one and figure out that this one here has the platy and the thin sheets. So that one goes right here. And then this one is the, I don't even know how to say that word, rhombohedral, and that one goes right there. And then we would come back over here and we would do the same thing with the dull minerals, taking them to streak, seeing what color they are, and following the flow chart. After they have all the rocks on there, or the minerals, pardon me, they can flip over and see if they got the answer right. So that one should be this one right here. And then this one here would be calcite, and so they can match those up and see if they got the right answer.